Hello everyone. Now practice set 1.4. In that some very important questions I will discuss. Question number 1. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles is 3:5. Find the ratio of areas. Find the ratio of areas. This I have to find. We know that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So solution will be like this then. We have to write the statement. So let A1 and A2 be the areas of triangles. Then we know that, and the sides be S1 and S2. Then A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. And here we have to give the reason. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. Therefore, A1 upon A2 is equal to, what is that? 3 square upon 5 square. Therefore, A1 upon A2 is equal to 9 upon 25. Ratio they have asked. Therefore, A1 is to A2 is equal to 9 is to 25. This will be the answer for this question. Now we'll go for the next sum. Question number 3 that I will solve now. Question 3. They have asked to fill in the blanks. Triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR, and area triangle ABC is equal to 80. Area triangle PQR is equal to 125. Then FIB. Then fill in the blanks. What is that? First is area triangle ABC upon area triangle, and here they have asked for the fill in the blanks is equal to 80 upon 125. Here I have to fill in the blanks. What is that? What it will be? PQR. This will be the fill in the blanks. Therefore, they have asked AQAB upon PQ is equal to box upon box. This we have to fill. Now, if this, we have to solve something. So, by the theorem of ratios of similar triangles of areas is they want ABPQ. So AB and PQ. Area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides, means AB square upon PQ square. Reason, theorem of area, theorem of areas of similar triangles. Therefore, this is how much? 80 upon 125. That is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Now by 5 I can divide. 16 5 the 80 and 25 5 the 125. So 16 upon 25. So AB upon PQ, how much it will be? Take the square root of this. Take the square root of this. 4 upon 5. So this would be the answer. So hope that you understand it pretty well. Now the question number 4. It is also based on the same thing, but I will discuss it. Question number 4. Triangle LMN, similar triangle PQR. What they have given? Another is 9 into area triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area triangle LMN. Indirectly they have given the ratio. If QR is equal to 20, MN equal to question mark. So this is the question. Now definitely you can solve this. So what will be done? From this statement I will say, what will be area triangle PQR upon area triangle LMN? That I will search. So first of all, this 9 into area triangle, or this from this I will take triangle solution. This is LMN, similar triangle PQR. This is given. Therefore, theorem of areas. Therefore, area triangle LMN upon area triangle PQR is equal to ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. In that LMN, this MN is needed. MN is equal to question mark. That was MN square upon. If the last two of this I have taken, then QR square. Theorem of areas. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. The results also we have to give definitely. Now this is number 1. This ratio is how much? From this I can take 9 into area triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area triangle LMN. Here I have taken LMN upon PQR. So this PQR is into, it will become upon. This 16 is into, it will become upon here. Therefore, 9 upon 16 is equal to area triangle LMN upon area triangle PQR. This is number 2. Now this side is 9 upon 16. Therefore, from 1 what I can do is 9 upon 16 is equal to mn square upon qr square. Out of that qr is 16, 20. That value I can put. So mn square upon qr square from 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now put the value. Therefore 9 upon 16 is equal to mn is how much? We don't know that. We have to find mn upon qr is how much? 20. Reason I will write qr is equal to 20. Therefore, now this is square, mn square, qr square. This I will write. Now, how to students generally start immediately doing the cross multiplication? No. Take the square root of this, it will be mn. Take the square root of this, it will be 20. Take the square root of this, 3 upon 4. Therefore, 3 upon 4 is equal to mn upon 20. Reason taking square root. Therefore, now do the cross multiplication. This is upon, here it will become into. So 3 upon 4 into 20 is equal to mn. 4 1s are 4 5s are. Therefore, mn is equal to 5 3s are 15. They are not stated cm, tm, etc. So 15, that would be the answer. So here we will stop this video and next questions we will see in the next.